Hi everyone, Matt Mariglia here to take a look at the Canvas app as part of the Android operating system of your ClearTouch panel. So you can see I'm on the Android side of the panel. I got my clock and my date. I have some apps pinned to the front. And the app that we're going to talk about real quick is something called Canvas. Now this is the Android version of Canvas, a little different than the one that will run in Snowflake. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, that's okay. This is just a basic Canvas app that you might be able to use with your students. And it basically is a huge whiteboard, as you can see. And you have some menus. You have what they call the page flip menu over on the end here. Allows you to copy pages and have multiple pages. You can even delete them if you need to or add them. You can see the plus button right up at the top. You also have a 3-line menu down here at the bottom that you might want to take a peek at. It allows you to save these, open new Canvas files, export them as PDFs if you want to. The page flip, if I turn this off, you can see that it goes away if I don't want that or don't need it. I can even move the dock, which is the bottom part of this menu, move it over to the different sides of the screen. And then I can exit out of Canvas altogether by hitting exit. So the other tools that are here, a pen tool. You can see all the different features that it has. You can try each of these. Has a shape writing tool where if I try to write a circle, it'll make one for me. It gives me the colors of the circle that I want. It also has one that does some flashing 5 times and disappears, kind of like a magic type pen. Has a marker or highlighter, as you can see. It highlights over the things that I've already have on the screen. Got a basic pencil. I can control the thickness of what I'm writing very easily, change the colors. I have an eraser, and it allows me to have the complete thickness of the eraser that I might want to erase things that are here. And it also lets me erase the page completely if I'd like to clear it completely and start over. Kind of handy there. This is the chooser, so if I actually create a shape, let's say I were to draw a shape like this, and then I go to the chooser now, I'm not writing or erasing anymore. I can actually now take that object and move it around, which makes it nice and easy to do. I can go undo or forward when it lights up. I can even save pictures. So if I went onto the browser and I found pictures on my panel and I saved them, I can actually open them up. And I could even link my Google Drive if I wanted to, because there's a Wi-Fi module attached to these, and pull in pictures from Google Drive right to my Canvas that I might have saved at another time. And then this one right here, when you tap on that, it gives you a lot of extra tools. So you have a background changer that you can tap, change the color if you'd like. You have a text where you can actually control the fonts and type text on here, which is great. You have stamps, which is more of a fun thing. Maybe a kid does a math problem right and you want to stamp the check mark or a happy face for ones they do right, or a sad face for ones they do wrong. So that's there as well. For all you math teachers out there, there are some tools here. We have graph lines and calculators and squares, and we even have a protractor where we can move the angle that we have. It's kind of nice to do that, and it gives us that little angle that we want. Let's put it there. Let's move it there. Give it a second, and there's our angle. So we have protractors that we can even use as well, which is great. Shapes, and for those of you that remember Smart Notebook that has screen shades on it, you even have a screen shade here that allows you to hide the screen and move the shade up and down to cover up things that you don't want the students to see. So that's the basics of the Canvas app on the Android side of the panel. Hope you enjoyed this video, and watch a lot more. There's a lot more to learn. See ya.